Okay, here we go with example 3 for area between curves. We want to find the area bounded between the curves x equals 2 plus y squared and x equals 4 plus y squared. Now, most of the time, not all of the time, but most of the time, when I have things already written in terms of y, both of them are already with y's. That's usually a sign I need to integrate with respect to y. So, but before I even start doing any integration, I have to find endpoints. So these are going to be y value endpoints. So I got to set these equal to each other. Set those equal to each other, and probably I'll just end up subtracting y squared, taking a square root, make sure to include the plus or minus, there's two endpoints, and I get y equals plus or minus 2. Now, the area, I have to figure out which is on the top and which is on the bottom. I have the integral from -2 to 2, and I gotta have my dy on the end, because I'm integrating with respect to y. I'm not sure exactly what these curves look like, and I have to do a test point, but because I'm having trouble visualizing it with dy, I'm going to draw a really quick sketch. They don't have to be accurate, but I've got y equals -2 to 2. So y goes from down here, -2, up here to 2. And I've got some, some function. I don't know what it looks like. I know it's some kind of parabola, but I'm not worrying about that. And I know I've got some other function here between those two. I got to figure out which is above. Above means to the right. That means a greater x value. So I'm going to have to plug in an x value. I need to plug in a y value in this range and see which gives me a further x value, because that will be the one, quote unquote, on the top. So I got to pick a y value. I'll pick 0 because it's easy. Over here, I get x equals 0, and over here I get x equals 4. So this is going to be on the top. So that's going to be first in my integral. It's going to be 4 plus y squared minus 2y squared dy. This is the integral from -2 to 2 of 4 minus y squared dy. Power rule, 4y minus y cubed over 3, -2 to 2. And I know this is 8 minus 8 cubed, y cubed. That's 2 cubed, which is 8 over 3, minus -8 minus, careful with your negative signs, -8 over 3, because that's -2 all cubed. So I'll combine everything. I've got 8 minus -8 is 16, and then -8 thirds minus 8 thirds is -16 thirds. Put it all over 3. 48 over 3 minus 16 over 3 is 32 over 3. And that is it. Hope it helped.